Hello all, Tony here from Carton Cloud with a update on release number 78. We've had quite a bit of releases with Android. We've been working to get Android up at the same level as what we have with iOS. One of the things we've been able to do with iOS for a long time is if I was to go into contacts, customers, and I was to, for instance, go into Bob's Groceries here, I can edit, and then under warehouse management, where we have our purchase order products, we can put in batch numbers and serial numbers and things like this. Now, underneath the batch number here under custom field 1, we've actually got this is verifiable. Now, what that means is within the mobile app, we could actually be outside on the floor with a sled or a scanner, and we can actually scan a barcode or a batch number barcode, and it will actually verify that that's the right product. So it's just a real simple is verifiable. Another thing we've done on the mobile app is we've added in variable weight picking. So what that means is if you are storing meat, for instance, for a certain customer, and on this particular sales order I've created it for Bob's Groceries, and we're doing steak. And for instance, the rib fillet steak cartons, they are actually can come through at different weights because you can't get a butcher to say, hey, put exactly 20 kilos in, sort of thing. Right? So what we actually can do is we can look at now on the Android app, and here we have a sales order for Bob's Groceries, which is awaiting picking. And if I was to click into this order and I was to start the packing, what we can actually see is if we go in, it actually allows me now to put in the weight for each carton. And on this one, I've actually put in 4 individual cartons. So I could say on this one that it was 21, and on the next one, it was 22. On the next one, it was 24. And on the next one, it was 25.5. Right? And we can, and at the bottom, it tallies it all up for us, and we can confirm those weights. So then we can just go through and finish our packing. As I said, we've had it on iOS for a long time, but we're just going through and getting the Android up to the same level.